Watch this video and learn how to draw a St. Patrick's Day shamrock. Later on there's a song break with Bunny Fluffington, and watch to the end to see Louie's Poetry Corner. Get ready, it's time for Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello and welcome to Artie's show. Yeah. What are we gonna draw today?
Hello Artie, hello little artists. We're going to draw a shamrock.
Wow, that's gonna be awesome.
It sure is.
Hello, little artists!
Hey kids, how's it going?
Wow, look at all the little artists that are here today.
Okay, ready to start?
Yeah. Oh, Artie has a really good idea.
Oh great, what's the idea?
Artie forgot.
Oh, should we start the drawing?
Yes, please.
And next time you have an idea, make a note.
Yeah, good idea. Okay.
Man, Betty, look at that blank piece of paper. Isn't it exciting?
Oh, the possibilities.
Okay, Artie, let's start by giving our shamrock some cartoon eyes. We'll draw a little circle in the middle of the page, and then right next to it, another little circle. And maybe later on, we'll give our shamrock a nice hat.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh.
Now let's draw a little black dot inside the left eye. Really good. And now another little black dot inside the right eye. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. Thanks, Louie. Now let's give our eyes some little eyebrows. Draw a tiny little triangle and shade it in black. And then, of course, do the same over the right eye.
Hello, Artie! Did you miss me?
Yeah?
Oh, you always draw the cutest things. Makes me smile.
Thank you.
Bunny kisses and carrot wishes. Bye!
Bunny kisses. Ugh.
Well, that's not very nice, Artie. She was only being kind. You could have blown her a bunny kiss back.
No.
I think Bunny really likes you, Artie.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
That mouth's looking really good, Artie. Now, if you draw a line across inside the middle of the mouth, that's it, and then shade underneath black, now it looks like our little mouth has some teeth. He's smiling. He's really happy.
This is making me so happy.
Me too.
Wow, I guess we're all really happy watching Artie draw. Now, let's draw a big heart shape around the eyes and the mouth, giving our little shamrock a heart-shaped face. I think Bunny hearts you, Artie. Finish the right side. That's it, Artie. And now you have a complete heart.
Oh, Artie thinks it's time for a song break.
A song break?
Yeah, song break! Song break!
Okay.
Let's go!
Artie says, say please, when asking for a treat. It's a magic little word that makes your day so sweet. Polite, polite, let's all be polite. With kind words and happy hearts, we'll make the world so bright. Artie says, say thank you when someone lots of fun and makes life worthwhile. Polite, polite, let's all be polite. With kind words and happy hearts, we'll make the world so bright.
Song break. That was a really good song break.
It really was, Artie.
Yeah.
Should we finish
Yeah.
the drawing?
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
Let's draw the left leaf.
Okay.
Coming up, don't miss Louie's Poetry Corner. Did you notice, Artie, that all the leaves are heart-shaped?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's the left leaf, just about done.
Betty, can you tell what it is yet?
Not yet.
Are you having fun doing this drawing, Artie?
Oh, I'm so happy.
Oh, that's marvellous. I love that it's making you happy. When I draw, it makes me happy as well.
Oh no! What's that music? It's painty. No.
Look out! Uh-oh.
Oh, Painty, what a mess he's made. Ugh, this is going to take me forever to clean up. Artie, next time you hear Painty on his way, can you let me know and I can get some extra cloths so we can clean up?
Yeah,
Yuck,
yeah.
he's so messy. Oh, I see what you're doing, Artie. I thought that was the stem of our clover. You've actually drawn a stem that turns into a leg. That's very clever, very creative.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous. He's so talented.
He sure is, Bunny Fluffington. Now, Artie, draw a straight line right up the middle. That'll separate the left and the right leaves. That's it. And now let's put some shoes on his feet. A little line on the left and right, shaded all in black. Don't forget we still have the hat to draw. Remember we spoke about that earlier?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Well, it's only a hat, Artie, but I'm glad you're excited. That's both shoes shaded in nice and black. Good job, Artie.
She's had work done, you know. Of course. I mean, hello and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today we have a lovely little poem about our friend Artie. Here we go. Artie the artist we all adore, with pencils, markers, and so much more. He draws with love and a big bright smile, creating pictures that wow and beguile. He teaches us how to make art too, from swans to stars and skies so blue. With friends around, he leads the way. Artie makes magic every day. Oh, well, that was marvellous, wasn't it?
Well, that was marvellous, Louis. Thank you. Okay, it's time to draw that hat. That's the whole of the hat, shaded in black. Now let's draw the underside of the hat, the underside of the rim. Perfect.
That's delightful.
That's a big word.
That's right, Mikey. Delightful means, well, you delight in something. You really like something. You think it's delightful. Now, Artie, let's draw the sides of the hat. I bet you're having fun. Is this a fun drawing to do, Artie?
Oh, this is the best day ever.
Wow. Okay, I didn't know you were enjoying it that much. Let's draw a little ribbon going along the bottom of the hat. Just do a line that echoes the rim of the hat. That's it. Yes, perfect.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Hi. Artie,
Yeah?
did I ever tell you that I love your art?
Oh, no.
It's so inspiring and creative. I just love it.
Well, thank you.
Okay, well, have a happy day.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's add a tiny little shamrock on the side of the hat. And then maybe a big buckle on the ribbon. Artie, after we finish this drawing, I think we should go out to a hat store and find a hat just like this for me to wear. What do you think?
No. No. No.
Oh, you don't think it would suit me? Okay, I'll take your advice. You're a very stylish person, so whatever you say. You know, Artie, this drawing's looking pretty finished to me.
I'm finished.
It looks great. It's missing something.
How about some color?
Oh, yes, of course. It needs colouring in.
Okay, coloring time.
It's time to color in.
I'm finished.
Wow, Artie, it looks really good. It came out so nice.
Looks really good.
It does. Are you happy with it?
Very, very happy.
Oh, that's great.
That turned out so good.
It's amazing.
What an amazing job, Artie.
Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.